Is that your eyelid?
Wrong.
That is absolutely.
Everybody know I be. Everybody know I be. Yeah. Yeah. Everybody know I be in the club VIP. Like not me. Oh girl.
Hey guys, so today I'm going to do my May Boxycharm and Ipsy unboxing. I think I'm going to start with Ipsy because I've already opened this and I have seen what's inside of it. For the Boxycharm I haven't, but I have seen some spoilers. So the first thing with Ipsy is a eyeshadow brush by Shimmer. Wait, I'm not that good at reading cursive. I think that's an S. You know, it's right there. Can you see that? I don't really know. But yeah, the end is purple and blue, and that's really pretty. And I really love brushes, so I'm glad I got that. And the bag is so cute. It's like, I think it's like a travel kind of bag, and it's like has different stamps on it from different places, Paris. That's so cool. It's so cute. I love it, and I'm definitely gonna use this. And it comes with the card. And then inside, well, this is what I'm not happy about because I've been saying that I don't want masks in my bag anymore, and they keep putting masks in my bag. And I keep like doing the review thing and putting like the lowest thing you can put for it, and I don't want them, but they keep sending them. But I guess that's okay. And I also got this. It's a cleansing gel. I also put that I don't want any cleansing gels. And this is a Trestique Mini Matte Blur Stick Blurring Primer and Shine Eraser. So this is just a primer. And it says the Shine Stick too? Oh, Shine Eraser. Yeah, it feels good. So I need to try that out to see how that'll work. It looks pink, but yeah, it came on my skin just clear. And the last thing I got is this Pop Goes the Shadow. I've gotten these before. Elizabeth Mott in Goldie. It's an eyeshadow, and this eyeshadow is exactly like the color that I would use. It's gold. It's really pretty. Let me just put some swatch on my wrist. Yes, it's so pretty. Gold. Love it. Now I'm gonna open my Boxycharm, and we'll see. Well, so the Ipsy, I didn't really. That was probably like one of the worst Ipsies I've got, just because I didn't like the cleanser or the mask. Like, I want makeup items and I don't want those, and I've been putting, usually they like stick good to what I put in the reviews. Like, if I put I don't like something or something, they don't send it. But yeah, I don't know why they did two things I don't want. Oh my gosh, what am I doing? Okay, so excited. Okay, so for this Boxycharm, it comes with a card. And it has like the prices on it. So the first thing is the reason why I want to get this. I'm so excited. Cover FX Blurring Primer. Blurring primer that instantly minimizes fine lines to create super smooth, flawless, airbrushed look. Okay, I really have been liking Cover FX for, I have a highlight, and a couple of things for them that are like illuminating stuff. It's like shiny stuff, and I love it. I love their products, and I've really been wanting to try this because I wanted a good primer, and this primer cost $38, and Boxycharm's only $21. So it's crazy because I have been wanting this. So let me just see a little bit of it. Am I even recording? Okay. Okay, so I thought it was going to be like clear or something, but it's not clear. But it feels super smooth and makes my skin soft, actually. And it says it's supposed to blur the appearance of pores and fine lines. I'm so excited to use this. Like, I can't wait. I'm so excited. This is the best. Okay, another thing I see is a brush by Aesthetica Face Brush. Okay. So it says it's perfect for creating a seamless look. $27. Let me just feel it. Is this, it feels like, I'm not exactly sure what I would use it for just because it's so fluffy. Maybe like blush or highlight. Yeah, but that's cool. Wow, that's like a really nice brush. Okay, the next thing is this Pretty Vulgar Black List Gel Eyeliner, which cost, I'm a little confused. I don't see it. Oh yeah, there it is, $24. It's a gel eyeliner, quick drying application. I've never tried a gel eyeliner, but yeah, I guess you just stick your brush in there. I've never tried a gel eyeliner before, so I will see how that goes. $24. Okay, oh, and I guess you can use this brush for it because it came with, oh, 3 by the same brand. The I'm the worst at pronouncing stuff. Aesthetica. Yeah, I don't know. MSRP $45. Comes with a little like brow spoolie, two little like eyeliner brushes. It looks like for this, I'm guessing. And the last thing I got is a Boxycharm. What is this actually? Wait a second. What? How many things are there? I already got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things, and it says there's still something else. Okay, I'm trying to open this. What is this even by? This is a Beauty Creations liquid lip gloss formulated to provide coverage, MSRP. So this is a $10 lip gloss, and I've actually been kind of into lip glosses, wanting to try them out. So that's super cool that I got a lip gloss. Like, that's cool, and it's a cool color too. Yeah, it looks like a cool one. But I still have something else, and I was already super happy with all of that. And I still have a Pure Cosmetics, the Sculptor Palette, $30. What is this? Okay. I love Pure Cosmetics. I love Pure Cosmetics. Like, oh my gosh. Pure Cosmetics, yeah, there's just well, at least everything that I've used from them I really like. So this is a Sculptor palette, so 2 highlight and 2 matte contour shades. So I don't use contour, but I do use highlights. So I just want to see what it looks like, but I can't open it. Okay, they definitely put a lot of tape on that. Ooh, beautiful. So these are the 4 that it comes with, the 2 highlight, 2 contour. I'm gonna see, they kind of look like they would be pretty eyeshadows, but I just like really shiny eyeshadows. Wow, they actually do look like eyeshadows. Like, that's gonna be crazy to put as a highlight. Can you see that? I don't know if you can see that. But yeah, that was everything I got in my Boxycharm. Wow, that for $21, I got all of these things that are like expensive makeup brands, like Pure Cosmetics, Cover FX. Wow, like that's just crazy. But yeah, anyways, that's amazing Boxycharm. But thank you for watching my video. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel for more unboxing. And I'm gonna do a braces update video soon, so you should subscribe for my braces update video. I'm also gonna make a video about like studying tips and stuff. So just, you know, there's something for everyone. You should subscribe, and thank you for watching. Bye. Everybody know I be in the club VIP.
Everybody know I be